Listing your property on MatchBook is quick and easy. In this video, we'll walk you through each step, from start to submit. To get started, make sure you're signed into your account. From the homepage, click Become a Host, and then click List Your Property. That'll open up the step-by-step listing process. First, tell us what kind of place you're listing. Is it an apartment, house, or private room? Then, let us know if it's furnished and whether you allow pets. Once that's set, click Next. Now, type in your property's address. As you type, select the correct one from the drop-down. When you're ready, click Next. Here, you can double-check and update any part of the address, like unit number, city, or zip code. Make sure everything looks good, then hit Next. Time to fill in some key details. How many bedrooms and bathrooms does your place have? And what's the square footage? Add that info here and click Next. Now, give your place a title. It should be short, descriptive, and maybe even a little fun. You've got about 35 characters to catch someone's eye. Then, write a brief description of what makes your place stand out. You've up to 1,000 characters. Once you're happy with that, click Next. Time to show off your place. Upload photos to add pictures of your property. You can add up to 30 images. Once they're uploaded, click Next. Pick your top 4 photos. These will be the first ones renters see, so choose the ones that really shine. Also, select a cover photo. Click Next to move on. Now, check off what your property offers, like laundry, kitchen appliances, parking, a fireplace, and even extras like a gym or balcony. The more you include, the more appealing your listing will be. Click Next when you're done. Choose the shortest and longest stays you're open to. You can set minimum and maximum lease lengths from 1 to 12 months. Then, click Next. Now, set your monthly rent for each lease length. Many hosts offer discounts for longer stays. You can also include whether utilities are covered at each length. Click Next when you're ready. Here's where you'll add your security deposit and any pet-related deposits or monthly fees. Fill in what applies and click Next. Take a moment to review your full listing. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Submit Listing. Your listing is now under review for up to 24 hours. Once approved, congrats, you're live on MatchBook.